Hey, what's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Now this format is going to be very different from the last videos that I've uploaded on this channel. So if you're looking for car content that's on the side of going through something that's more typical, like my vehicle auction videos or me working on a car, maybe this video is not for you. But it's more just to kind of create a narrative around what's currently going on and my plans for the channel in the future. Now, the whole reason that I'm going to turn the camera over to my 1997 Subaru Impreza is because this car is going to signify the fact that I want to make some changes here. Now, as you guys know, I love the fact that I have this car. This is the very first car that I bought from a vehicle auction, and it's the very first car that I rebuilt here on YouTube. And I think it was about like 4 or 5 years ago now, which is pretty crazy to think about. But I think it's time to finally part ways with it and put it up for sale. Now, I wish I had a warehouse where I could just keep all these cars that I currently own, stashed away and bring them out and just enjoy them every once in a while. But I'm getting to a point where I have way too many cars. The fact that I bought the E36, I'm currently rebuilding that. And also the fact that I want to keep bringing you guys more car content means that I have to, shed some weight. I have to be able to move on from cars like this. And I think it's been quite some time that I've just been hanging on to projects that I become invested in, and it's really hard for me to let go. When it was like back in the day when I was like a teenager and I was learning how to fix cars and I was just like churning through cars quicker than my clothes, it was very easy for me to part ways with these vehicles because, I'd fix them up and I'd sell them and then I would move on to the next thing. But I don't know if it's just the coming with age or the fact that I just get so invested in cars now that it's just been very difficult for me to move on from certain vehicles. And this is one of them for sure. I'm almost just kind of using this as a placeholder to be able to kind of look back on this one day once this car is gone, just to be able to kind of remember what it looks like. But it also just signifies so much more that I want to continue to grow here on YouTube. And I'm so fortunate and so grateful for all the progress that we've made so far, but it's just egging me on to want to buy something else already. Even though I already got a project car that I'm currently working on. So I cleaned it inside and out. As you know, it was recently stolen from me. It took a lot of scrubbing and detailing, and I got it to a place where it looks pretty good. It's not perfect. It's a high mileage car. And I know that this car isn't very valuable, but again, it's all just the sentiment for me right now. I really hope that it goes to a good home. I don't know if maybe it will go to somebody that I know, because there's been a few people that have asked about this car in the past to me. And this would be a really good contender for somebody. I mean, it runs and drives really nice. I'm not gonna sell it with the Speedline rally wheels. I'm gonna keep those because I've been going back and forth on maybe using my 2002 Subaru WRX for some future rally content. But that's a whole nother can of worms that I may need to save for another video. So I just threw on the 2002 WRX wheels with the Yokohama Geolanders. They're in excellent shape. It's an old car. It definitely has its quirks. But I mean, for somebody just to hop in it, I would drive this thing all the way down to Oregon if I really wanted to, It's really just a turnkey solution for somebody to go out there and just have some fun with it. Just wanted to provide you guys with a little bit of an update there. I don't know what I'm gonna specifically buy next. All I know is I definitely want to buy another auction car. And I want to continue to make cool stuff here on YouTube, as well as just provide some more knowledge to you guys. Also, I want to just take a moment just to thank you guys for being here with me so far. And I'm really hoping that I won't let you guys down. I'm hoping that I'll find another car, because I always do. And as you guys know, I've came across so many different vehicles, and it's hard to pass up on them just because I don't have space. So I think this will be a good step in me not turning into the crazy cat lady that is hoarding cars, and rather the guy that likes to buy disaster cars, suffer a little bit for your guys' entertainment. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and comment down below, let me know what you think. So I'll see you in the next one, and take care.